And finally, when England rugby star Christian Wade decided to quit the sport and try and make it in the United States as an American football player in the NFL, there were more than a few people who doubted that he would succeed. Well, with his very first touch of the ball for the Buffalo Bills, he managed to prove those doubters wrong in a quite spectacular way.
Christian Wade is the running back, and he gets the carry here for the Bills. And look at Wade go! All the way from England to the house! Touchdown, Buffalo! Unbelievable!
All the way from England, he ran 65 yards for a touchdown to help the Bills beat the Indianapolis Colts. Afterwards, Wade, who used to play here for the Wasps rugby club, said he knew he was going to score even before he got the ball. There is surely a bright future ahead.